You're just gonna hide in your room?
Coward!
Huh. Daisy, Daisy, give me your answer.
Are you seriously gonna start singing that?
I'm half crazy, all for the love of you. It won't be a stylish marriage. I can't afford a carriage. But you'll look sweet upon the seat of a bicycle built for two. Oh wait, I have a key to Zubal's room. Ah! Ah! Ah!
That hurt.
Ow.
I can get
Wait.
them. Trust me, partner. I got this.
That's actual bullshit. Ow! Well, shit, man. Guess that's the end of that. See you on the flip side.